That's a full send right there. Oh my god. Another day at the dunes. Rolling up to Little Sarah, Utah. Again, I know. But this time we got some other YXZs coming. So we will have Jack, and then we'll have Alex with his car. And just wait till you see that thing. That thing's a beast. Jack's bringing both of his, Sandy and Betsy. I think. He may have left Betsy. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's go rip some dunes.
As I crawl through dirt and mud, I'm sinking under in a grave of love.
We made it out here. Rolling in, it was a brisk 28 degrees on the truck. As you can see, all of this has frost on it, all the way up the spine. In the shadows, frost. So it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna have all the traction that we need. Just hang out, wait for the crew right at the bottom of the mountain. This is the best part, because you can literally park right here, and then within 50, 100 yards you can be going up the mountain racing. And then when you come back to the trucks and you're just hanging out eating lunch, watch people race. Probably not gonna be a lot going on today just because it is pretty cold. Oh yes, and we still have the front diff in the YXZ. I'm waiting for a time that we get like a foot of snow or 2 feet of snow somewhere out west and throw on the dirt tires and go rip in the snow, because I think that'd be fun. This much power in the snow would be a blast. Let's go. We got Sandy, we got Alex, got some other people waiting for us. Smell nothing but E85 between these two. Can't even smell my race gas. Try to get some heat in this motor before we go ripping it. The car won't even warm up. Okay, this sand is frozen. I should have brought Dobster. Can't get enough of this. It's out here ripping. Find a jump. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was the biggest jump I've ever seen a YXZ do.
Dude, I didn't even hit it that hard.
You were scooting, bro. Oh my God. Were you, did you get flight hours?
Oh, dude.
Yeah, so he hit this jump probably like right there. I don't even know where he landed. It was pretty far out here though. He landed right here. Let's go see the takeoff. Yeah, that lip's hard packed, so sent him soaring. I mean, he was up there. What do you think that was?
I don't know, a lot.
Yeah, how about you 55, 60? Oh, no, it's
More like 100.
it's 100 and something, 110.
Oh yeah.
What do you think it was?
55.
Did you step it out?
It's like 75 feet. And he was soaring off that lip. Oh, that's a full send right there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the lip. Here we go. Okay, well, we got the tie rod back in the rack, so now Alex can actually steer. Hopefully the Can-Am gets going so he doesn't overheat because it's leaking a little antifreeze. When he jumped that thing though, it was soaring. I wish the GoPro would have got it. And the reason why I didn't is because I got this camera turned down a little bit so you're not just seeing roof the whole time. Oh yeah. Gosh, that thing is just a monster. Well, we made it back. Doing some YXZ things.
Scared the shit out of me on the steering wheel.
Yeah, we don't go enough to get one. I mean, I think it'd be fun to have one out here.
GoPro battery died on the last ride into here, and that was a lot of fun, but got a new fresh battery in there. We're gonna go check and see if the trampoline is still there. Fast though, so we're gonna head back, but we're a ways from the mountain. Can't see anything with that dirty windshield in the sun. Yeah, it's a pretty nice time to be out here. Gosh, look at all them dunes. And then you still have the mountain. And then you have the dunes on the backside. It's a pretty sick shot of the good old Sandy. Sunset's so sick. compare the frozen dunes to the dry dunes, because last time I did this trail it was all soft dunes. It's crazy that this car's only at 160 degrees. It runs so cold. It's almost too loud with this new exhaust though. And it sounds good, but man oh man, does it drone. I really wouldn't mind doing like a cutout on a switch. Man, Jack's doing some ripping now. Man, this hard pack stuff is really not that fun though. Just feels like it's eating your paddles up. This is probably one of my favorite trails though. There's nothing else like it, where you're just on top of a mountain, duning. You get the view of the backside. We got anybody back there? Nope. Ouch. Man, this is flattened out since summer. This is the best part right here though, if it's not booked out. Oh wow. Made it back in perfect time, it's not too cold.
Never drill a hole when I need to. Is it gas?
I wish I could see if there's flames coming outside my mirror.